My name is Despiona. I'm originally from Greece, but currently live in the UK. In the mornings, I work as a TA in a college, and then in the afternoons, I deliver lessons, Greek language lessons. I've studied linguistics, and I'm multilingual myself. Apart from Greek, which is actually my first language, I speak fluently English, French, Spanish, and I'm learning Turkish and Italian. I would say my passion is to support families in raising bilingual or multilingual children, helping them navigate the challenges and joys of developing multiple languages at home. Even though I've studied linguistics before, participating in the Parent Coaching Program gave me practical insights into bilingualism that I hadn't actually fully appreciated before. So, concepts like peaks and calp became much more tangible when applied to real families. For example, I now better understand how a child can be socially fluent in a language but still need support to develop academic language skills. So, in that sense, I feel like the program helped me see the distinction between conversational fluency and cognitive academic language in everyday parenting situations. Well, from my experience, I can tell you that the majority of parents are struggling a lot to firstly clarify their goals and see what kind of language input their children are receiving, so they can take the necessary actions to support their children language development. They are struggling a lot to see the bigger picture and then decide about taking a pathway towards creating more intentional language environments for their children. I love the six-step process actually, because it gives parents a clear structured way to see what kind of language input their children are receiving. Taking it from there, you can actually help them understand what kind of actions they need to take and visualize the steps they need to take to achieve those results, whether that's providing more home input, adjusting routines, or choosing a bilingual school. And I think that's actually something that leaves both of us, like parents and the coaches, feeling confident, empowered, and more intentional about what we're doing. I found the course very, very useful in developing my business skills. And I'm saying this because I felt like I benefited from learning how to understand my ideal client, identify their pain points, and respond to their desires. So, this knowledge helped me to best structure my services and coaching approach, and also helped me think strategically about how to present my expertise and deliver real value to families, which is helping me shape my business with confidence. I think the program gave me both practical tools for working with parents and also insights for developing my business. It gave me clarity, structure, and confidence, make it a really worthwhile investment in my professional growth.